Sometimes the best future plan is simply to be a better version of yourself.
Okay. Now let's talk about funny future plans. Everyone has some.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Like, I want to eat healthy, but my future plan dies every time I see biryani.
Same. My future plan is always tomorrow I'll start working out. Tomorrow comes and I'm like, maybe day after tomorrow?
Ha ha. Or, I will drink 8 glasses of water. Then I drink 1 glass and consider it a victory.
Seriously, same.